Hello viewers, now here is some more solutions. Our next question is find the additive inverse of each of the following. First we should know what is additive inverse. The property is the additive inverse of A by B is minus A by B. That is A by B plus minus A by B is equal to 0. Question number 6 is first one. 1 by 3. We have to see additive inverse. The solution is additive inverse of 1 by 3 is minus 1 by 3. Next one, 23 by 9. The additive inverse of 23 by 9 is minus 23 by 9. Now come to next one, that is minus 18. The additive inverse of minus 18 is 18. Next one, minus 17 by 8. The additive inverse of minus 17 by 8 is 17 by 8. Our next question is 15 by minus 4. So we can write it as minus 15 by 4. Now the additive inverse of minus 15 by 4 is 15 by 4. Next one is minus 16 by minus 5. So we can write it as 16 by 5. So the additive inverse of 16 by 5 is minus 16 by 5. Our next question is minus 3 by 11. So the additive inverse of minus 3 by 11 is 3 by 11. In next one we have to find the additive inverse of 0. The additive inverse of 0 is 0. Next question is 19 by minus 6. So we can write it as minus 19 by 6. Now the additive inverse of minus 19 by 6 is 19 by 6. Next question is minus 8 by minus 7. We can write it as 8 by 7. So the additive inverse of 8 by 7 is minus 8 by 7. Now come to question number 7. That is we have to subtract. In first one we have to subtract 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. That is 1 by 3 minus 3 by 4. By taking LCM we get 12. And here 4 minus 9, that is minus 5 by 12. Come to next one, minus 5 by 6 from 1 by 3. That is 1 by 3 minus 5 by 6. It means we will get positive sign here. That is LCM will be 6, 2 plus 5. That is 7 by 6. Our next question is we have to subtract minus 8 by 9 from minus 3 by 5. That is minus 3 by 5 minus 8 by 9. Here is minus and here is minus, so it will be plus. So we get minus 27 plus 40 by 45 because 45 is LCM. That is 13 by 45. Next one, minus 9 by 7 from minus 1. That is minus 1 minus 9 by 7. Here also minus 1 plus 9 by 7. Here LCM is 7. So we get minus 7 plus 9 by 7. That is 2 by 7. Question is minus 18 by 11 from 1. That is 1 minus 18 by 11. We get 1 plus 18 by 11, that is 11 plus 18 by 11, The answer is 29 by 11. Next one, minus 13 by 9 from 0. 0 minus 13 by 9, that is 0 plus 13 by 9. So the answer will be 13 by 9. Our next question is, we have to subtract minus 32 by 13 from minus 6 by 5. That is minus 6 by 5 minus 32 by 13. That is minus 6 by 5 plus 32 by 13 is equal to minus 78 plus 160 by 65, because 65 is LCM. So we get 82 by 65. Come to next question. That is minus 7 from minus 4 by 7. So we can write it as minus 4 by 7 minus 7. Now we have minus 4 by 7 plus 7, because minus and minus is plus. So we get minus 4 plus 49 by 7, that is 45 by 7. Our next question is, using the rearrangement property, find the sum. Now come to the question. The question is 4 by 3 plus 3 by 5 plus minus 2 by 3 plus minus 11 by 5. Now first we will rearrange it. Here we see that here and here is 3, denominator is same, so we can arrange it as 4 by 3 plus minus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 5 plus minus 11 by 5. Now group it. That is 4 by 3 plus minus 2 by 3, keep it in bracket, plus 3 by 5 plus minus 11 by 5. It becomes, here 3 will be LCM, so we get 4 minus 2 by 3 plus, and here the LCM will be 5, so we get 3 minus 11 by 5. That is 2 by 3 plus minus 8 by 5. That is, now LCM is 15, so we get 10 minus 24 by 15, that is minus 14 by 15. This is the answer. Now come to next one, that is minus 8 by 3 plus minus 1 by 4 plus minus 11 by 6 plus 3 by 8. Now we will group it, that is minus 8 by 3 plus minus 11 by 6 plus minus 1 by 4 plus 3 by 8. Here 3 and 6 and 4 and 8. Now take the LCM of 3 and 6, we get 6, that is for these two terms we get minus 16 minus 11 by 6 plus, now these two terms, that is minus 2 plus 3 by 8, that is minus 27 by 6 plus 1 by 8. Now take the LCM of 6 and 8, we get minus 108 plus 3 by 24, that is 105 by 24. Now cancel it, we get 35 by 8, that is, because here is minus symbol, so we have answer, that is minus 35 by 8. Now come to next question, that is minus 6 by 7 plus minus 5 by 6 plus minus 4 by 9 plus minus 15 by 7. Now rearrange it, we get minus 6 by 7 plus minus 15 by 7 and minus 5 by 6 plus minus 4 by 9. Here denominator is 7, So our LCM is 7. We get minus 6 minus 15 by 7 plus here LCM will be 18. So we get minus 15 minus 8 by 18. That is we get minus 21 by 7 plus minus 23 by 18. Now reduce 21 by 7. We have 3 by 1. Now the number is minus 3 by 1 plus minus 23 by 18. Now take the LCM, we are at 18. We get minus 54 minus 23 by 18. So our answer is minus 77 by 18. Now come to the next question. That is the sum of two rational numbers is minus 2. If one of the numbers is minus 14 by 5, then find the other. Now here is the solution. Let the other number be x. So according to question, we have x plus minus 14 by 5 is equal to minus 2. That is, here we have plus symbol and minus symbol, so we can write it as x minus 14 by 5 is equal to minus 2. We get x is equal to minus 2 plus 14 by 5. Now taking the LCM, we get x is equal to minus 10 plus 14 by 5. That is, x is equal to 4 by 5. So the other number is 4 by 5. Our next question is the sum of two rational numbers is minus 1 by 2. If one of the numbers is 5 by 6, find the other. Now here is the solution. Let the other number be x. So we have x plus 5 by 6 is equal to minus 1 by 2. That is, x is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus 5 by 6. Now taking the LCM of 2 and 6, we get x is equal to minus 3 minus 5 by 6. That is, x is equal to minus 8 by 6. Now reduce it, we get 4 by 3. So the value of x is minus 4 by 3. So the other number is minus 4 by 3. Our next question is, what number should be added to minus 5 by 8 so as to get minus 3 by 2? Now come to the solution. Let the number be x. Now we have minus 5 by 8 plus x is equal to minus 3 by 2. That is, x is equal to minus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 8. So we have x is equal to minus 12 plus 5 by 8. So that is, x is equal to minus 7 by 8. It means the other number is minus 7 by 8. Our next question is, what number should be added to minus 1 so as to get 5 by 7? Here also let the other number be x. So we have minus 1 plus x is equal to 5 by 7. Now taking the LCM, we get x is equal to 5 plus 7 by 7. That is 12 by 7. This is the answer. Our next question is, what number be subtracted from minus 2 by 3 to get minus 1 by 6? Now let the other number be x. So we have minus 2 by 3 minus x is equal to minus 1 by 6. That is, x is equal to minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6. Now take the LCM of 3 and 6. We get x is equal to minus 4 plus 1 by 6. That is minus 3 by 6. Now reduce it. We get minus 1 by 2. This is the answer. Next one. Which rational number is its own additive inverse? The solution is 0 because it is its own additive inverse. Next one. Is the difference of two rational number is a rational number? The answer is yes. Now the question is addition commutative on rational numbers? The answer will be yes. Rational numbers are commutative under addition. Next one is addition associative on rational numbers? The answer will be yes. Rational numbers are associative under addition. Now, next, is subtraction commutative on rational numbers? The answer will be no. Subtraction is not commutative on rational number. Next question is subtraction associative on rational numbers? The answer is no. Rational numbers are not associative under subtraction. Now the next question is, what is the negative of a negative rational number? The answer will be, it is a positive rational number. Now this is the end of our exercise. Thank you.